Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Santosh, and in this channel we are going to discuss about how I used to select the stocks. Basically, guys, this channel is all about stocks and stocks trading and technical analysis, trend line, patterns, all those stuffs. So I assume that you people are well aware of how the stock works. I mean, there are the two ways that you can approach the stocks. The first one is fundamental, the second one is technical. I leave the fundamental parts for now because I'm not familiar with that and I'm not trading with the fundamental parts. Now let me continue with the technical analysis. What is technical analysis? So to explain that, let me take you to the chart of some stock. So uh, I hope everyone able to see this chart. I mean, the chart is nothing but uh, how the price of a particular stock, say for example, this is the IRB infrastructure, this is a random stocks. So how it is used to move, I mean, how it is moved in the past couple of days. As you can see clearly in this chart, the particular price of a particular stock price started going up and coming down, and after a period of time it going up and coming down. So let me put it in a very technical way. Uh, that is accumulation, advancing, distribution and decline. So what is accumulation? So you consider this area of this stock, okay? So in this particular price, the market buyers started buying this stock at this particular price. So the demand of this stock at this particular price started increasing. So many buyers are coming in. So the price of this stock started shooting up. That's why it is going like this. After a period of time, the same people whoever buy here, they started to think like, so the price has gone way beyond than its potential, so now it's a time for us to sell it. So every people started selling the stock at this point. So the price of the stock also started coming down. Then again the buyers are showing interest, so it is going up. Then again the sellers are showing interest, it is coming down. So this particular area is called accumulation, where the buyers are showing interest to buy the stock. And this stage, which is here, sorry, this one, this is called advancing. And again, this is called, this particular area or this particular area is called distribution. And again, this area is called, I mean, this particular thing is called decline. Now you people ask me, okay, Santosh, we understood what is accumulation, distribution, advancing, decline, and how we can buy this stock. What is the right time to buy this stock? Okay, let me introduce another thing called support and resistance. So what is support and what is resistance? As you can see this chart, see this particular area is there, no? This area, I mean this portion or this area itself called resistance zone, because the stock is not able to push above this price. And as you can see the bottom, this zone is called support zone, because the price is not falling below this price. So let me put it here, this is resistance, or this is support. Sorry, my keypad is not working. We just consider this is a support. So you buy at the support area and you will sell at the resistance area. You will buy at the support area and again you sell at the resistance area. Okay, so you people are well aware with the support zone and resistance zone, and now I'm going to tell you how we are going to take a entry in the particular stock. So this is the IRB infrastructure which in which I took a trade in the last week. So I'm going to explain you how I selected this stock and how I took an entry. So let me go into that. So let me erase this diagram and, go to the weekly time frame. That is 1 week. Okay. So it was like this. What I did now, I just took this line. I draw the line like this and support line like this. So after I saw such a breakout of this particular candle, of this particular candle, I took an entry. So after that, you will see how much far the price shoot up. So I captured so far 14.12% in this particular stock itself. So you can ask me, what, you just simply saw this area and draw the line and you took an entry and booked this much profit? Exactly no. So what I did now, this is the weekly time frame, and I went to monthly time also, and I saw this thing. The stock is moving like this. So what I did now, I drew the line here also and in support line also. Then I came to understand, yeah, the particular stock is moving in this range itself. So I can expect an entry in this support zone so that my price of the particular stock goes up so that I can make some profit. So now I understood the particular stock is in the support zone, so this is the time for me to buy. But how I will trigger the buy? Not just because it is in the support zone, I will put a order over here and I will make money. No, exactly not. There is a chances. There is so many chances. It will break this support area also. It can go down. The control over the price of the stock is not all in our hand. So we have to make sure this area is acting as a support, and then you make a entry. So for me, it has touched the support point. The ultimately it will, I'm expecting it to go the resistance point. So the thing is clear. What, the price is advancing, which means it came into its accumulation stage and then it started advancing. So I was expecting an entry in a lower time frame, which is weekly. So in weekly also I was able to see some accumulation, which is stock is moving in a particular zone. So my idea is very simple. Whenever the stocks moves above this particular line, I am going to buy this. So like I decided on the day, I mean on 24th, I mean 31st May, it gave some breakout of this particular zone. So I took an entry and the price started going up. That's it. Thank you so much guys for your valuable time, and I'm I'm really sorry for the nervous that I'm facing right now. As you can clearly see, it's my very first YouTube video. In coming days, I promise you guys I will make a better presentation as well as the better content to you. And until then, take care, bye bye, happy trading.